What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. Today we about to make some slime.
Yeah.
So everybody, we meet my brother Josh.
Hi, my name is Joshua, and we're not playing video games today, so I'm going to show you how to make some slime.
Yeah. So we got our slime activator.
Yeah.
And we got our clear glue slime. First step, you always have to look at the paper. Always look at the paper. Okay? So step number 1 is measure 15 clear glue. So first, you get your glue. Wait. So first, you get your measuring cup. You get your glue. You take it up. No, I got it, Josh. And then you're gonna pour it in.
Here's my cup, my little baby cup. But I'm going to tell you how to make slime, because this slime...
Wait. You need to get that out of your cup. You gotta put that in a container or something.
Huh?
You gotta put that in a container or something.
This?
Put it in the container. Hurry up.
We don't have no more slime.
Okay. Pour the glue in. All right. Pour it in. All right. Hold on. Wait for me. All right. Pour it in. All right. So Josh is pouring in his slime, as you can see. We will show you our slime at the end, and we will play with the slime. So just stay until we play to the slime.
I wonder
take it out.
I wonder what kind of slime I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make green.
Oh, okay. Oh, and by the way, we
have the aisles to make slime. So we're gonna finish the end. So I'm gonna show you how to make some slime without some glue. We're about to oh, here is mine, and this is mine. Where's my little baby cup? Is this my baby cup? Is this the cup that I have?
I'm trying. Yeah. Yes. Your baby cup is right here. Okay. No, this is my baby cup.
Where's my baby cup?
I don't know. So now, step number 2 is measure 25 milliliters of water.
Yeah, let's go get some water. Let me get some water. Oh, water right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Wait, 20.
I wonder what kind of color I'm gonna pick. Hey, wait, I need some water. Thank you.
Stop. Pour it in. Step number 3
is
three.
This.
So next
is this.
Okay, hold on. Then stir the mix of water, glue, and colorants. So we have to put color in.
No,
so
not
which color? No,
this.
which color do you want?
I'm gonna pick. Kayla, are you gonna pick the same one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick purple.
You're gonna pick purple. All right.
You're
Where's your
picking
spoon?
purple?
Where's your spoon?
My
Just
spoon
spoon.
is right there. Kayla, are you gonna pick the same color?
No.
That's like medicine.
Really pulled in. You're hungry.
Mm-hmm.
You're really hungry. Okay.
Now,
Alright, now you pour it in. And now you mix. You mix until it gets to the pure color.
it's slime. Say well, Caleb. Look, mine's turning into ground. Look,
As you can see.
look, brown and orange.
Okay.
Rainbow. It's rainbow. Yep, a rainbow.
Alright, step number 3. Number
Go
4.
easy, don't so you don't spill
Number
it.
5. Number 5.
5 is this.
Is put this in for.
Don't get it on your pants. Those are good pants, man.
Well, I got something already. It's white
5
stuff
milliliters
of
this.
glue. So I'm gonna make this purple one. Oh, I popped the bubble. Pop, pop. Kayla, I mean bubble gum. Pop. Pop. Caleb, I mean a bubble gum. Caleb, you forgot to put some in mine. How's yours so slimy?
Mine hasn't even turned into slimy.
Thank you. Bro, can mix it. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Yeah, I'm mixing his slime. Go. No, not mixed. Just keep mixing.
Wow, my slime is already slime. Look at it. Raw. So slimy. Look at mine. Look. It's like bubble gum. Caleb, mine look like bubble gum. Does yours look like? Yours look like green bubble
Mine
gum.
looks like boogers.
Mine look like bubble gum. Caleb, you supposed to do the correct the correct color because that's boogers. Boogers. This is a big slimy head that I it's about to fall, Caleb. Oh! Oh no. Oh no.
Hurry up, pick it up.
Okay. Can something's in my slime? Why is this slime? Ugh, why is this slime on my hands?
Hold on, guys. We'll be back. Few moments later. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna take our
Okay, now it's time for it. The moment we've all been waiting for. Time for us to get our hands dirty.
time to get our hands. I painted my hands. Caleb, I'm gonna paint my hands. Caleb, I'm gonna paint my hands. Caleb, my hands are bubble gum. Look. Oh man, Caleb, my hands are trapped. Bubble gum.
Who?
Bubble gum. My bubble gum is super slimy. Lifetimes later. Can we start over real quick, guys? Hey, stop looking at me, Joshy Washy. I'm just Josh. I'm gonna mix it. Oh, my hands are pinky. Now mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Let's pick another cup.
I told you I know how to make slime.
Me too. Hurry up, hurry up! Get in this boat! Hurry! Get in this boat! Oh, guys. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness! My bubble gum. Look at my bubble gum. Can I bite my bubble gum? Yours is gold. Oh man, yours is dark Leo's. No slime. Stop hanging out, little slimy heads, or little baldy or classwork. I'm gonna take.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll be Charlotte.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you subscribe and we can make more videos of slime. Peace.